video.
In this video, we're going to show you how to teleport. Boom!
Oh my god. Yo, what's up guys?
Today we're going to be making a game teleporter.
And we're going to be teaching you.
So you gotta grab a part.
Okay.
And you make it a bit bigger.
Yeah. So yeah.
Then you go to Starter GUI and add a screen GUI.
Okay.
Inside that, you add a button.
Which is a text button.
Then you can place it however you want. We'll place it in the middle. And you can name it whatever. Play, home.
But for now we'll name it play.
Yeah. You can even add UI strokes to make it better and all. UI corner and other things. Then you can even go to properties, add color to it. Yeah. Then you click on the button and click local script and you copy paste this thing, the code which will be given down
in the description.
Yeah. And you name the part play.
Just in case if you have a lot of parts.
So that whatever you named it, for example I named it home here. Home. That means you have to name in your script also home, same thing. As you can see, and this is the time, like how much they can access. For example 1 second they can teleport, how much ever. As you can see, it's ready.
So
you can test the game.
Let's play it. No way that it actually works, right? Let's check.
Oh, it's a bit lagging, guys.
Okay, now we guessed it, and
as you can see, we can teleport wherever we are from.
So
as you can see, guys, you can teleport wherever you are from. As it's 1 second, so you can just spam it. So you can change the seconds.
But you need a better distance.
Yeah, and you can make this also creative by changing the color and all.
Even the font size style.
Yeah, you can even change your base plate color, like here. You can just put
I
it.
think
It's okay.
forget
Then
about
you need to answer it, guys, if you are putting it in a high place or something.
yeah.
That's all for this video.
If you want to watch more videos from us,
Click on the screen.
and don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.